Laitkam vacancies yang này cái vacancy vẫn đang có DRT Directorate of Educational Research Training, the Directorate of Food Supplies and Consumer Affairs, nanti pada này có Deputy Commissioner SWKHD Health District mau kerwat. Teman-teman nyepat kawai heading kawai pat nyepat cua jang ka Directorate of Food Supplies and Consumer Affairs. Katarik kadu kadai 8% tarik Julai aracar 8%. The Directorate of Food Supplies and Consumer Affairs long invites offline application for the post of data entry operator, post data entry operator and the price monitoring system for temporary staff, casual workers or contractual workers of the department under the Directorate, districts and subdivisions only under supply branch purely on contractual basis for a period of 1 year and subject to availability of fund. Kena kadai nam taki kadai internal kena nam taki tu belak try casual contractual hapo office jangka Directorate of hapo Directorate and district subdivisions jangka ni ka food supplies and food civil supplies and consumer affairs. Nang ta artaliki post arhajar kajing siu manubunai arhajar TADA kawai hapo civil subdivision nang ta kawai Southwest Castle District. Age limit as per government of Meghalaya norms. Keep on graduate in any discipline, diploma in computer application with knowledge in MS Office, knowledge in mobile app, the typing speed of 35 words per minute, and willing to travel daily to open market places including Saturday, Sunday and holidays. Can you record application kadai ka internal limited departmental recruitment advertisement. Kani kadai nakabenta kita balak try contractual casual workers kita ada temporary staff ro. Jong ka Directorate of Food Supplies and the district supplies at ka subdivision food supplies. The interested eligible candidates are requested to submit the application in standard form with self-attested copies of relevant documents through offline mode addressed to the Directorate, Food Civil Supplies and Consumers Affairs, Host Show Building, Lower Lachumil, Shillong 793001 on or before 25th July 2025 by 4 p.m. Incomplete application may be rejected. No application will be accepted after 25th July 2025 4 p.m. Candidates will have to appear for examination and may be called for interview. No TADA will be paid through the applicant for attending the interview. Eligible candidates will be intimated by email. Kadang-kadang kam balaj hapo Directorate of Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Meghalaya. Teman dapat ngepet sekan kawai kadai hapo Directorate of Educational Research and Training Meghalaya DRT. Kam balai di Civil Work Coordinator tarik kadai ka walk interview haka tarik Julai arhacar arpusan. A walk-in interview for the post of Civil Work Coordinator for the civil construction projects under DRT will be held on 28 July 2025 from 11 a.m. onwards at the office of the undersigned. The post is purely on contractual basis for a period of 1 year with fixed pay of 30,000 per month. Eligibility BE Civil as one of the essential qualifications. Experience 2 to 3 years. Antara job description kadai coordinating and overseeing civil construction projects. Jangka DRT, DIETS, BITS, nanti COE/ADB, kiwai. Tiga kadai ka kam Civil Work Coordinator hapo DRT, kadai ka walk-in interview, haka 4 Julai arcar pusan. Nadu kapor khatwai baje mensta. pan BE civil nata 2 to 3 years work experience. The job description, coordinating and overseeing civil work construction projects. Nata kan kawai monitoring the project progress, conduct site inspections, compliance with quality and safety standards, preparation of detailed project reports, latest SORS and budget expenditures. All applicants are requested to bring all necessary documents at the time of interview. No TADA will be paid for appearing the interview. Laitkam jangka civil work coordinator hapo DRT. Kita pelong hapo office jang Director Educational Research and Training Meghalaya Shillong. Tanya pat sa kanay kaway pat kaday bakado kabang nga pulang kanay kaday kaway hapo Deputy Commissioner Southwest Kasihal District Maukarwat kakam kaday E-District Manager katarik kado kaday Laipo itarik July arachar arpusan. The Office of the Deputy Commissioner Southwest Kasihal District Maukarwat is inviting applications from eligible candidates for the post of E-District Manager for placement at the district level under E-District Mission mode project implemented by the Meghalaya Information Technology Society MITS on purely contractual basis, initially for a period of 1 year, subject to the satisfactory performance as per criteria mentioned below. Nanda post kadai kawai ka kadon kawai ka post nanda kerteng ka post kadai E-District Manager nanda criteria kajing siu kadai arpau hajar manu bunai. Eligibility criteria kadai candidates should have been born not earlier than 1st January 1987 and not later than 1st January 2001. Kamot yaki apply ki hap yaki dai ban kha hap reng kini ki snam. Si tarik January kandai spat phonyo but hap reng but u si tarik January archari bai. Educational qualification, the candidates should be BSc Computer Science, BCA, BTech, MCA, BE/MC or any other graduation with 1 year computer diploma. Candidates having a BA with these qualifications will be preferred. Minimum overall percentage in the qualifying final examination should be more than 50%. Minimum 2 years of experience, preferably in IT or e-governance related field, is essential. Yang sabuk kan kas ka online mode kadai kas niga form yang sabuk hapo description tarik kado kadai live hoi tarik July arhajar arpusan kan mau ki pihak dan kam banyo 100% haki qualification kum ka BSc la dapat pas BSc Computer Science, BTech, MCA